Hey, I'm James. I'm one of the co-founders of Vizzly, and I'm going to show you how to get set up with a cloud project and an empty React app. So I'm going to create a managed solution. I'm going to go to the setup steps, and I'm going to sign in and run the Vizzly managed command, which will download my Vizzly private and Vizzly public PEM files that's needed for the identity logic. So once we've done that, I can then start building out the data sets I want to make available to my users. First, of course, I need to connect through to my database. So I'm going to connect through to Postgres, but there's multiple other options available. So now I've connected, I can pick my base table that I want to base the data set from. So I'm going to pick HR payroll. And as you can see, it's brought in all the different fields in that table into my dataset. Of course, I can change various dataset properties and properties of the field in the query engine, but for now I'm just going to hit save and return back to the setup steps. Next, I'm going to run the Vizzly access tokens, which is a quick way of generating JSON web tokens, which is used for authentication. So I'm going to run this command. In production, these will be generated on your server, but for now, we'll just use these to get up and running quickly. Next, I can create a front-end application by running the Vizzly init front-end command and passing through the type of React. This will then create my Vizzly front-end project. I can run yarn install to bring in all the dependencies. And once that's finished, I can open up my code editor. In here, you'll find there's an app.tsx file, and you can see that we need to fill in our query engine endpoint and our identity function. So the query engine endpoint can be found on the overview page of your project. So I'm going to copy the managed query engine endpoint and paste that in here. I'm also going to take the access tokens that we generated earlier, and I'm going to return those from the identity function. Next, all that's left to do is run yarn start, which will spin up this React app on localhost 8001, where you'll see the Vizzly dashboard and the data being pulled from the managed query engine. I can then build out my Vizzly dashboard as I wish and publish this for my users to see. Thank you.